Hey aquarium enthusiasts and visionaries, welcome to the channel. In a previous video, we created a totally awesome tank upgrade. But there is one problem. In this case, bigger is better. We wanted all our aquarium's occupants to be able to swim through, hide in, or however they choose to use it. But our first design didn't quite allow that, so we never actually revealed it in the tank. With those key changes in mind, we went back to our slicing software, made the necessary tweaks, and sent it to the printer. This time around, it took about 16 hours to print. Once it was done, we cleaned it up and finally tested it in the tank. So what do you think? Is it totally awesome? Let us know in the comments. And if you love projects like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.